I keep forgetting to film. Jason's playing some games, eating some breakfast. Oh, he didn't finish it. I've just been cleaning up the kitchen. And now I'm gonna heat up some dinner from yesterday in the Black Magic microwave. Oh my god, dude. Microwave, that's crazy, man. It's like a time machine for food almost. Yeah, gonna heat this up, gonna have myself a nice meal, and I think I'm just gonna focus on like getting the kitchen completely in order. The different already organized all this stuff, candy up there so he can't reach it, and other stuff there, bread down there. I'm just slowly trying to get this place in order. You know, there's a bunch of stuff that probably shouldn't be in a kitchen closet here. So I'm gonna be working on that today, just like I did a lot of work in the bathroom yesterday, getting it properly cleaned up. Yeah, let me put this in the microwave and good morning, guys. Jason dressed up like me. Camo pants, green shoes with a little bit of orange on them as well on the back part of the shoe. Black jacket. We're ready. We look identical. We're gonna go shopping. Check it out, we even found some green gloves, so now we're gonna be matching with the gloves as well. He just wants to look like me. Okay, let's go. Look, Mille is coming with us. One of the cats. You can only see her eyes glinting. Hej Mille, skal du med?
Min mor siger, hun en musse. Du skal se kammusse.
Kom Mille.
Kom, Mille.
Kom Mille.
Kom, Mille. Kom, Mille. Kom, min famler.
Se, der er nogen, der har lys derovre. De har... Kom Jason. De leger med et løbehjul. Og se, der er en, der er ude og gå tur med sin vorser.
Må jeg sige hej? Må jeg ikke sige hej? Må jeg sige...
Nej, han siger nej, Jason. Så kom herover. Det skal man også respektere. Det er ikke alle hunde, der har lyst til at sige hej. Vel?
Nå. Er det farligt?
Nej, det er bare nogle hunde, de er lidt bange, og andre hunde, det kan være, at de måske ikke har haft et så godt liv, og måske så er de blevet lidt voldelige. Det kan være, at nogle hunde, de bider. Så det er derfor, at nogle gange så menneskerne, de siger nej. Quite the little update. Life is happening over here. Me and Jason went down to that nice neighbor lady who cut my hair and who gave the TV for Jason. And over there I helped her with setting up her Chromecast and logging into all of her accounts and resetting passwords so she could log into her accounts, and she was very appreciative and gave me like 250 Danish, man. I didn't even ask for it. In fact, I insisted she don't pay me anything, but she's like, no, here you go. She's stuffing the money in my hand. So I'm really thankful I can use that money here to like buy food and help out Netja and Jason. I don't really need anything for myself. But yeah, and then I'm making leverpostej. What I made with Dion that he didn't like. Liver paste with onions and bacon bits. Well, it's just real bacon, just chopped up into bits. And yeah, these are the final mushrooms I'm gonna add on there, and then we're just gonna eat that on rye bread. We've been looking for the remote everywhere for the Chromecast, but Jason hid it somewhere today, so we can't find it. So no cartoons today, I guess. Jason went to bed. Me and Natcha are eating. It got extra crunchy today. I quite like it this way.